So this would be yellow, 35%. Whoops, and then this would be my purple, which is 15%. Okay, so that kind of made it easy because it's easy to divide a circle into halves and quarters. So now if I look at what I have left here, I have a 5%, a 10%, 15, and 20. Well, if I combine this 20 and 5%, if I combine those, that's 25%. So I could kind of imagine this side of my circle. I can kind of imagine um, cutting it in half so that half would be about this section. So if I call this 20%, well, I'm gonna redo that. I'm gonna call this 20%. That would be my blue. Whoops. And then this section here would be 5% green. Okay, so you say I combined 20 and 25% so that I could kind of visualize how much of the spinner these two would take. And that leaves pink and red. That's another 25% because pink is 10 and red is 15. So I know that one's going to be a little bit smaller than the other. This will be my pink at 10% and my red is going to be 15%. There you go.